Good morning, student. In previous video, we have discussed about the average profit method. Now we are going to discuss the next method, weighted average profit method. So this is the second method, weighted average profit method. Now, when the firm is continue earning the profit in increasing order or either earning the profit in decreasing order, either firm bearing the loss in increasing order or bearing the loss in decreasing order, if there is a particular trend, either increase or decrease, this is not mentioned in which ratio, but it is some increasing or decreasing order. In that case, it is better to calculate the goodwill by weighted average profit method. How you will calculate the goodwill by weighted average profit method? In this method, first you will learn the formula goodwill equal weighted average profit into number of purchase years. Now, number of purchase year already you know, it will be given in the question. How you will calculate the weighted average profit? Now this is the weighted average profit. Weighted average profit means total weighted profit divided by total weight. So how you will calculate the total weighted profit? Now, profit into weight, that is called weighted profit. And when you will make the total of this weighted profit, that will be called total weighted profit. When you will make the total of the weight, that is called total weight. We will see this by an example. So all of you open your books. See the question number 5 to understand this method in proper way. In question number 5, it is saying profit earned by a firm during the last 4 years were as follows. So first we will write one column for the year, one column for the profit, and one column for the weight. Then we will multiply profit into weight, that will come the weighted profit. So you see question number 5, that is page number 2.20. Now one column you will write the year 2013, 14, 15, 16, and profit, that is given 80,000, 1 lakhs, 1,10,000, 1,50,000. Now, calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 3-year purchase. So, number of purchase year is given 3, of weighted average profit, weight to be used 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, weight is given 1, 2, 3, 4. So, weighted profit, it will be 80,000 into 1, 80,000, 1 lakhs into 2, 2 lakhs, 1,10,000 into 3, 3,30,000 and 1,50,000 into 4, 6 lakhs. So that will come total 10 lakhs, 12 lakhs 10,000 and make the total of weight. So 3, 3, 6, 4, 10. You will calculate weighted average profit, that will be 12 lakhs 10,000 divided by total weight 10. So 1 0 will be cancelled and 1,21,000. Now you will calculate the goodwill. So goodwill equal weighted average profit 1,21,000 into number of purchase year 3, that is 3,63,000. So you are saying first you will write one column for year, one column for profit or loss, third column for weight, fourth column weighted profit. Now profit multiplied by weight, that will come weighted profit. You will make the total of weighted profit, make the total of weight. Now weighted average profit equal total weighted profit upon total weight. So 12,10,000 divided by 10, 1,21,000 and goodwill equal weighted average profit into number of purchase year. Number of purchase year is given 3. So 1,21,000 into 3 and that will come 3,63,000. So such you will calculate the goodwill. Next one is the super profit method. So this is the third method. Super profit method. In this method, the formula of goodwill is super profit into number of purchase years. Now, number of purchase years already you know, this will be given in the question. Now, what is the formula of super profit? So, super profit equal average profit minus normal profit. Average profit already we have discussed in previous two questions. Now, how you will calculate the normal profit? Normal profit means capital employed into normal rate of return. What is this normal rate of return? Normal rate of return means this is the market rate plus risk rate. Means whatever the amount you will invest in the business, certain in this business you will earn the profit with this rate. So this is called normal profit, because this profit will be earned by every firm. Now then, what is the capital employed? Capital employed is also called net assets. Capital employed, that means assets minus liabilities. Assets minus liabilities now means this is the capital fund of the firm. So from the liability side, if we will see, we can say capital employed equal capital plus reserve plus profit. So this will also come the capital employed. So in the question, first we will check if there is the capital employed is given or not given. With the help of capital employed and normal rate of return, we will calculate the normal profit. After calculating normal profit, then we will calculate super profit, and then we will calculate the goodwill. You see one example for this, that will be for better understanding. So see question number 8 to understand this method. Page number 2.21. A partnership firm earned net profit during the last 4 years. First year 56,000, second year 64,000, third year 60,000, and fourth year 62,000. So one column will draw year, and one column we will write the profit. So first year, second year, third year, fourth year, profit is given 56,000, 64,000, 60,000, and 62,000. The capital investment in a firm throughout the above mentioned period has been 3 lakhs. So capital employed is given capital employed is given 3 lakhs. Having regard to the risk involved, 15% is considered to be a fair return on the capital. So normal rate of return this is given 15%. Calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 3-year purchase of the average super profit method. So first we will make the addition of these profit. $2,42,000 So you will calculate the average profit. Average profit means total profit 2,42,000 divided by number of year, that is the 4. So average profit 60,500. Now you will calculate normal profit. Normal profit means capital employed 3 lakhs into normal rate of return 15%, that is 45,000. Now you will calculate super profit. So super profit equal average profit 60,500 minus normal profit 45,000. So 15,500 will come super profit. Now you will calculate the goodwill. So super profit 15,500 into number of purchase year, that is given in the question. It is the 3-year purchase of average super profit. So number of purchase year is the 3. So amount of goodwill, that will be 46,500. Thank you, student.